Hi, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, February the 26th, 2020. We have three Sudokus: a binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. We will start with the binary Sudoku. So let's get started. A double O, here one, then one. A double O, here one, then one. A double O here one, then one. Then a double one, here and O, then O. A double one, here and O, then O. A double O, here one, then one. A double one, here and O, then O. A double O, here one, then one. A double one, here and O, then O. A double O, here one, then one. A double one, here and O, then O. Then a double one, here and O, then O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. So this is a number 5. A double one, here and O, then O. Then between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Double O, here one, then one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Here we have double O, here one, then one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here and O, then O, double O, here and one, then one. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here and one, then one. Double one, here and O, then O. Double one, here and O, then O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are ones. Double one, here and O, then O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. If I put the fifth one here, then we have 3 O's. Not allowed. So the one cannot be here. This should be an O. Double O, here one, then one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here and O, then O. Between two ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place the fifth O here, then we have 3 ones. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be an 1. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here and one, then one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here and one, then one. Double one, here and O, then O, double O, here and one, then one. Double one, here and O, then O, double O, here and one, then one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. If I place the fifth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. This should be an O. Double O here and 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. This is an O. Double O here and 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. This is number 5. Between 2 ones comes an O, and we finish this in 6 minutes exactly. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. If you want to subscribe, you can do that. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. Again, thank you for watching. Bye bye.